What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So just got off work, but I was driving through town, realized that I was pretty close to one of my favorite stores, so I gotta stop in and do a little walking around, some shopping. This store is amazing. They have everything. They got a little $3, it's actually got some weight to it. I've seen these before. Pretty cool. They got some smoking alien. Those look pretty nice, They've got cutting edge, or no, it's pirate even. It's pretty cool. I'm a huge fan of these Pyro Diablo, these little 200-gram cakes. These things are crazy good for their size. Same with these. Prices are not bad at all either. A lot of Pyro Diablo. We've had this one too. That one's pretty good. It's a brand I've never heard of. Fisherman. That's cool. They've got some sky bacon too. Haven't seen much of that in person. It's pretty cool. Some of these I really want to pick up. I might have to. Got some Airborne for 38. Whenever it's got a gold top like that, you know it's some good shit. This is exactly why I say I love this store. Best rockets you can ever get. They got a bunch of Pyro Diablo, and then there's some Sky Bacon. There's a bunch of cool stuff. I love this store, man. They got 24 packs for 95, and they've also got one for 75. We've also got some bundles that you can buy. This whole kit right here is $400, which is not bad. Enjoyed that video. Apologize if it was a little hard to hear me. I always feel weird walking around the store recording, but there was also nobody in the store, so it's pretty quiet in there. But hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.